All right, we're live. What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is day 3 in our high ticket affiliate marketing training series. If this is your first time here, go back, check out day 0 so that you know exactly what's going on with this series. There will be a link to the playlist down below so you can jump straight to that video. And then after you check out that one, you can go ahead and get caught up to this one right here. So in this video, we're going to be setting up our free traffic methods. Also, I'm going to show you a bonus way to get 100 guaranteed leads per day. So guys, do me a favor. If you find this video useful today, hit that like button and share this out so that other people can see it and the algorithm can pick us up. It'll help this channel out greatly. So with that being said, let me get out of the intro and show you the first thing that we need to do. And as you can see right here on the screen, I have a spreadsheet out. This is the account sheet. All right, and you can see that I have the email set up and the different social media accounts that we need to set up for this. All right, now I know a lot of you do not want to post on social media, but believe me when I say this is the best way to drive traffic to any program or product that you are promoting, especially TikTok. TikTok right now is hot. And you don't need to be doing anything crazy like dancing and singing and doing all these silly trends that you see people doing. You don't need to do any of that stuff. I literally have videos on TikTok where I'm on there for all of 2 seconds showing myself, and then I transition to something else, and those views are getting 10,000, 20,000 views. And it's not hard, guys. It's not going to take you long to set up or any of that stuff. All right, I'm going to show you this stuff step by step. All right, so with that being said, guys, there'll be a link down below to this spreadsheet so that you can follow along. You can go ahead and download it. And yeah, let's talk about it real quick. So actually didn't set up the emails, but what you want to do is you want to set up 2 separate email accounts. You don't want to use any of them that you have existing unless you have business related email accounts. I would prefer you use Gmail. Okay, because all the documents and stuff that I'll be sending you are all through Gmail, so that you'll have an easier time. You can make a copy and save it. If not, you'll have to download the document and then find another program to open it up with. All right, so naturally, if you got an Android device, Gmail's already on there. If you have an Apple device, you'll probably have to go into the Apple ecosystem, the App Store, and download Gmail if you don't already have it. I would say have 2 accounts, one main account and a secondary account. Okay. Now, this is honestly probably the 4th iteration of this video because I've made other ones and information is changing on the fly. Some of the stuff that I was doing just days ago isn't working anymore. So I want to keep it simple and I don't want to get you guys jammed up. So what we're going to do is have 2 accounts, one main account, one secondary account. Okay. And whatever username that you choose for that account is the same username that you're going to use for each of your social media accounts. Okay. So it'll be, for me, it'll be Tay Wilkins and Tay Wilkins 2. Now my TikTok, as you can see, is a little different, and that's because one of my TikTok accounts got banned. Some of the rules changed and they didn't like the content that I was posting. It got banned, so I had to alternate. So other than that, it would be Tay Wilkins and Tay Wilkins 2. That's how I would set up my Gmail, and that's how I would set up the account. So that way everything is consistent and you're not getting confused. And you want to make sure that you use the same password for all of them so that you can, get into them in and out without any problem. All right, so TikTok, 2 accounts. Instagram, 2 accounts. Pinterest, I have 1. Now Pinterest and YouTube, they are a little more strict when it comes to stuff like that. So to play it safe, I have 1 account with those. In today's video, guys, I just want you to set up the accounts. All right. And I'll be showing you that bonus method at the end of this. But I just want you to set up the accounts. In tomorrow's video, we're going to actually start posting. And that's going to be a longer video because I got to show you all the tools and everything that you need. But I'm actually recording on my phone, so what I need to do is stop the recording so I can take my phone and mirror the phone screen, and then I'll end up being on my crappy laptop webcam. It looks pretty bad, so I'm gonna warn you about that now. But I'm gonna go ahead and switch that up so I can pull up my phone screen on the laptop screen itself and actually show you what it looks like to set up real quick. Alright, so I'll be back in a second. Alright guys, so I'm back. I got my phone screen up. When you first go to sign up to TikTok, this is what you're going to see. Now you can enter that your email address and stuff manually, but since you already got your email, your Gmail email is configured, hopefully you use Gmail. Go ahead and click on that, and you can see the ones when it comes to that setup for this whole series. We'll go ahead and check out the last one, and that's pretty much it. That's already set up, so now your TikTok is ready to go. Instagram, let's go ahead and add account. So you'll see a different screen. It'll say create account, but then it'll come to just like this. Same thing. Use the username that you had, name, age, all that stuff. Set that up, and let's see what other accounts. YouTube. If you wanted to set up a YouTube, all you have to do for YouTube is just log into the account that you want to use. So you do that. So we'll just go to the one that we just set up. Alright. Once you set up, you may have to verify through the email, but then you'll have the YouTube account, and then all you would have to do to create content on now is just hit the plus button, and you'll be able to just create content. There's nothing else that you would really have to do. And then let me see, we got Pinterest. You'll see a screen just like this, and what you want to do is create a business account. The business account allows you to use links on your account, on your profile, so that you can promote whatever product that you're promoting as an affiliate. So you just hit create account, and then you will put that email in. So let's just use the one that we've been using. Say SOC 04. Oh, whoops. Alright. And you create your password, and and just keep going from there. And it's as simple as that. This is going to ask you, age and all that other stuff, date of birth, and you would just set it up just like that. I mean, it's not hard. Most of you guys already have these social media accounts, so you probably already know how to do it as is. But if not, that's all you got to do. It's nothing hard. Just set up your main account, do that, then set up your secondary account, so that all your accounts. And then once you set them up, you put the names here on the spreadsheet with the passwords. Okay, and it's as simple as that, really. For real. It's not really much to it. Alright, so I mean, that's pretty much it for this section right here. Now, this is your free traffic method that you see on the spreadsheet right now. But for those of you who want to speed things up a little bit, or you have a little bit more to invest, then I'm going to show you this right here. Alright, this system right here guarantees you 100 leads that add up every single day for $1 a day. So what is this system? This system is called MyLeadGen Secrets. It's an emailing system, not to be confused with the email autoresponder. This system will give you 100 leads per day, and you can use the system to email those leads, whatever products or services that you're promoting. Okay, you can do this once a day. They're very spam compliant, so they don't like allowing people to spam emails all day, every day. But you can email once a day. Okay, so I'll show you my account real quick. But yeah, basically this is MyLeadGen Secret. This is my account. I use it, and it's a decent system. And now this is something that's not going to get you a ton of sales overnight. This is something that takes time to work up, because you need to build up your leads. I have I think about 15,000 leads on this account. I do have two accounts. Okay. Now, it did say that you get 100 leads a day, but I actually get 200 leads per day. And the way you do that is under the affiliate program. If you sign somebody up to MyLeadGen Secrets, they'll give you a bonus 100 leads per day. Alternatively, you can set up a secondary account, and if you use your own affiliate link to set up the second account, that's another way to do it. That's what a lot of people do. I actually sign people up. I can show you real quick. Let me see. Of course, I'm gonna blurt out the names and stuff because I don't want to put people's personal information out. But yeah, as you can see, you don't get much from this. It's only like $5, but it's recurring, so you'll see it every single month. All right, so I've got people signed up, and I get those bonus leads. Okay, there's also a bonus if you have a certain amount of people sign up within a certain amount of days, 30 days or whatever. So there's income opportunities with this, but mainly I use this system just to as a way to generate leads to promote to multiple income funnel. And if you want to get to this program, all right, it's in your multiple income funnel back office. So let's log in real quick so I can show you. All you got to do is click on bonus income streams right here, and MyLeadGen Secrets will be the first bonus income stream. Okay, all you got to do is just sign up, and you'll have access to it. Okay, that's it for this video right here, guys. I just wanted to get you guys set up with your accounts so that we can actually start driving traffic to multiple income funnel. We'll do that in tomorrow's video. All right, that one's going to be a much longer video than this one, okay, because I'm going to show you all the tools and all the software that you need to do it. Okay, typically it'll be easy, but there's going to be a bunch of you who are going to be uncomfortable with showing your face on camera, so I'm going to show you some alternatives so that you don't have to do that. All right, and then for MyLeadGen, I'm going to show you guys how to set up your first email and send it out, and we're going to go through all of that in tomorrow's video. So with that being said, this one is done, guys. Like, share this out, and I'll catch you in tomorrow's video. Take care.